Welcome all. This is our lecture 38, and in this lecture we will cover the topic entering formula. Entering formula in MS Excel. Okay, how can we insert a particular formula and apply this particular formula on our selected cells or our selected contents. Okay, so let's start our today's topic, formulas. As you all know, formula in Excel is like a guide to a user, or such a tool which can minimize or reduce the priceless efforts of a particular user. और आप यूं कहिए कि जो यूज़र का पर्टिकुलर प्रिसाइज मोस्ट वैल्यूबल टाइम है, हम फॉर्मूला से उसका वो पर्टिकुलर टाइम बचा सकते हैं. मे बी आपको डिफरेंट डिफरेंट सीट्स आपको 70, 100 या 2000 टाइप का डेटा आपको ऐड कराना है. ओके, यू विल टेक योर कैलकुलेटर. आप कैलकुलेटर लेंगे एंड direct entering 231 plus 256 2 plus 266. This is a lengthy process. If this particular data in a worksheet or a workbook of MS Excel is available, then you can easily find within some seconds you can find the answer. Okay, this is the magic of MS Excel. You can manipulate your particular data. That could be a numeric data, that could be your text data. Okay, many operations can you perform as a formula. We can create or you can custom Excel functions by yourself also, but there are inbuilt formulas available in MS Excel. You have to memorize or you have to provide a hint in formula bar. This will provide you the particular formula to you. As you all know, as we have discussed in previous lectures, that if we want to enter any particular formula in formula bar, then the equal sign, this is, we first of all we have to put this particular one. After that you will perform or you can insert any formula. Okay, or any inbuilt function, that is sum is used to sum the particular cells, average is used to find the average of particular data. Here we have an example to you all. Suppose we have to create a formula for cell C1, C2, so C2 and A2. We have two cells C2 and A2 and we want to multiply these particular, we want to multiply A2 by B2 and want the multiply result in C2 cell. This is C2. This is our formula. Let's check in the cell. Here this is our A2 cell, this is our B2 cell, and we want the multiplication of these two cells in cell C2. Then, as I have told you, that where do you want your particular result? First of all, you have to click. First of all, you will click on this particular cell and then go to the formula bar. Just look at this formula bar. You can see we have put, first of all, we have put the equal to sign and then A2 multiply B2, simple, and enter. By clicking enter, you will get your particular result in your selected cell. Okay, this is the way by which you can insert particular formula to any cell. So class, this is all done in this lecture. Prepare your good quality notes and be in learning mode always.